Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to restore your iPhone, iPad, iPod, whatever iDevice you have without having to upgrade your firmware. So, for example, if you're jailbroken on 6.1.2, you don't have to upgrade to 6.1.4 just to restore your device. We're gonna restore it to like delete everything, but without losing Cydia. So as you can see, my device is jailbroken. I'm on iOS 6.1 because I haven't upgraded back then and I can't do it right now. Here you can see 6.1. Alright. So first of all, we go to Cydia. And then go to sources. Here we go. You're gonna have to add the source, which is just a second, please. iPhoneame.com/repository. Okay. I already have it, so I don't have to add it. But for you guys, you just go to edits. Edit, and then add. There you go. It's right over there. And then you type it over here. I cancel because I already have it. Okay. And then after you add the source, you go to search and type in ILEX, and there you go. You can see the search results. It's also available on Hack Your iPhone repository, but it's not recommended because it's not the latest version, first of all, and it's not the original source for it. So add the source and search for it, and here you can find it, the latest version of it, of course. Just hit install and it should download. It says it's gonna install ILEX or whatever is that and mobile terminal, so confirm. Oh, that was fast. Alright, so now return to Cydia. Now after we exit, just ignore the icons. I don't know, that happens sometimes, but just ignore all of these, okay? Now let's, here you can see terminal. There you go, mobile terminal is now installed. So you launch terminal. After it launches, just a second please, let me focus on the keyboard. We type in SU, see, right over there, SU, but then it asks for a password, and the password is Alpine, which is ALPINE, and as we type, but it's not showing over there, so it's okay, just ignore it, and then hit return. See, there you go, now we're in the directory. So right here you type in RAT, which is RAT, and then hit enter or whatever. And here, as you can see, we can see multiple choices. We're gonna choose number 12, which is remove and clean all. So on the keyboard we go to numbers, numbers 1, 2, which is 12. And of course you know that. Okay, now it gives you a warning, and it says jailbreak and unlock stay. Remove all apps, all Cydia tweaks, contacts, SMS, calls, notes, calendar, reminder, mail, and everything. Pretty much everything. It's just like you're restoring via iTunes, but you're doing it on the device without having to connect it or whatever. But before doing this, I recommend that you back up your device just in case, because just maybe you want your photos or call history, contacts, SMS, wherever. So just go and back up your iPhone, iPad, iPod, whatever you're using before you do this, okay? So now we'll just have, it says, do you want to continue? Are you sure? Y for yes and for no. So we enter Y. And then click on return. It's not gonna take that much. It's gonna take about like 30 seconds or 1 minute maybe. I'm not sure, but it's not that much. It's pretty fast actually, and very good because you don't have to upgrade the iOS to a newer version, and then you can't jailbreak your device. So here you don't have to re-jailbreak it, so it's not gonna delete Cydia, but it's gonna delete everything. Your tweaks downloaded from Cydia and programs, everything. It's just like you're restoring your device, but without upgrading and without losing Cydia, which is an important thing for most of you, of course. So here I'm still waiting. Took too much, just maybe because I have a lot of stuff on the device, like lots of pictures and lots of programs and music, things like that. By the way, my device is an iPad 2, 32 gigabytes, so it was almost full. Maybe that's why it's deleting. And by the way, I'm so sorry because the video is kind of shaky, and this is because I'm recording using my iPhone 5 because I don't have a camera, professional camera, of course. I'm planning to get one, but I want to get a good one, so sorry. Oh, come on, this is taking too much time, more than it's supposed to be. I think I'm gonna cut the video until something happens, actually, because it's taking too much time on my device. So finally, it's rebooting. Once it's done, it's gonna reboot the device. So I'm just waiting for it. Here we go. Just like when you restore your device using iTunes. So on the first launch, it asks for you have to configure the device. So here we go through the configuration process. Of course, you have to choose a network. So next, location service enable. Next, skip. I'm gonna skip this step. I'm gonna sign in later. I'm sorry, I think it's gonna happen. Skip. Yes. Agree. Whatever. Nobody actually reads that, so yeah, agree. Whatever. Of course, don't send. And here we go. Start using iPad. All right. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Just like it's fresh. And here I only have my bookmarks left. These are not apps. These are bookmarks. And mobile terminal is still here, and Cydia. So first, let's check Cydia. See, it says I have to actually refresh it because everything is gone. But there's one good thing about it. My sources are still there, so the sources are not deleted. This doesn't delete your sources. It only deletes the tweaks and apps that you have installed. So here we can't. I don't have all my other apps, which were there are about 50 apps. Yeah, maybe. So here you go to pictures. I don't have anything. I had about 2 gigabytes of pictures and videos and stuff like that, but I've already backed it up, so no worries. Here we go to music. Let me check sorry. Here we go. Contacts, no contacts. Settings. Yeah, not much. Let me check this. Yeah, my Apple ID still there. Pretty sweet, huh? Alright, so that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. Comments and likes are always appreciated. So, just ask me anything if you have any question. Please leave a comment below, and subscribe if you want. You know, it's free. It's not for money. And if this helped, please like it, and that's it. And share it with friends. Sharing is caring.